The Jabra Wave is a Bluetooth headset that might be your saviour on a windy day. Well, that's what the manufacturer is reassuring us with. Retailing at around $60, that's about £40, the headset's main selling point is its ability to work exceptionally well in windy environments thanks to the shape of the boom microphone and the digital signal processing algorithms that it incorporates. Welcome to IFTY's Tech Corner, where today we're looking at the Jabra Wave Bluetooth headset. Before we go any further with this, let's get stuck in and take a look at what we receive inside the box. So the box opens from the top here, and we should be able to slide the entire contents out. There's nothing else in the box there. And we get two separate parts here. One is the actual boom microphone itself, which we can see close there. We'll have a closer look at that in just a second. And in this accessories box, we have 2-pin charging unit. So this comes with a 2-pin. You will need to purchase a separate adapter for the UK and European 3-pin. So a 3-pin adapter is very cheap these days. So it comes with the actual power, which is a micro USB at the other end. We have a small packet here with some wind socks, as well as a larger earpiece to attach onto the microphone. So you can choose either depending on the level of comfort required. And finally, there seems to be a lot of manuals in here. So we've got the quick start manual, product registration guide, and some other literature. And that's all that we receive in the actual box, other than the actual Bluetooth headset itself. The crescent-shaped Jabra Wave has been designed to remain mostly hidden behind your ear, while a boom microphone extends towards the user's mouth. I do agree that the headset is relatively big when compared to other models, but in reality that isn't much of a drawback because the Wave is so much lighter than one would expect. At 0.46 ounces or 13 grams, it may be heavier than many other headsets out there, but thanks to proper weight distribution and a wise choice of materials, the Wave does not put a strain on your ear. The Jabra Wave's plastic body has a soft finish added to it, and the side, which is supposed to firmly hug your ear, has been rubberized in order to provide a tight grip. These rubberized areas may be prone to collecting dust and dirt, but thanks to the extra bit of friction that they provide, the headset would barely move no matter how much you turn and twist. However, the wobbly earphone, which is supposed to lay on top of your ear canal, simply feels like it's going to come off at any moment. Luckily, the second air gel that has been included in the set has a longer tip and feels a bit more comfortable. Once you get used to the headset, you should have no trouble wearing it for long periods of time. Now on the top of the Jabra Wave we have a dedicated on-off switch, which is something that we do not see quite often on most Bluetooth headsets. Right underneath it we have a rubber flap which hides the micro USB port, which is used for charging the device. It's covered by this quite flimsy rubber grip here, but it seems to do the job quite well. Underneath this we have a volume rocker, so a plus minus volume rocker, quite exposed 2-button rocker with a couple of LED lights just beneath this. I'm not sure if you can actually see that in the camera, but there's a couple of small LED lights underneath this to indicate the device's battery level and the Bluetooth status. And to answer calls themselves, we have another button on the bottom of the boom just here. Pressing this button picks up and hangs up calls, and it's very nice and easy to use and get to. Also, if using on handsets such as the iPhone, we can use this button, keep the button depressed to activate Siri and other voice-controlled features. Achieving clear sound under strong gusts of wind can be a challenge for any Bluetooth headset, but does the Jabra Wave really stand out of the crowd? It did successfully eliminate a great amount of wind noise, especially if the included foam sock was used on the boom microphone. Unfortunately, even though the other party could pick up whatever I was saying without much effort, my voice did not sound as loud as one would expect, probably because of the headset's DSP processing. Maybe it was manipulating the sound in some way. Nevertheless, I could hear the other party loud and clear without even the need to turn the headset's volume up to the maximum. Overall, it was very good quality. Now the Jabra Wave will seem suitable for those of you who are fans of the professional looking behind the ear design and who need nothing more than a reliable Bluetooth headset that can be used for the whole day at a time. With its good wind noise reduction, especially with the included windsock over the boom, the Jabra Wave will definitely gain a lot of fans. My only main complaint is that sometimes I sounded slightly digitized or slightly quieter than normal at the other end of the line. But that being said, make sure you try the Jabra Wave on your ear before you buy it, and if it feels right, then purchasing one will not be something you will regret. So what do you think of the Jabra Wave? Leave a comment below, and I'll see you again in Ifty's Tech Corner.